Tired of overpaying for phone service? Let's settle the score between US Mobile and Visible to see which carrier truly gives you more bang for your buck. First up, pricing. US Mobile offers customizable plans, meaning you only pay for what you need. Their unlimited basic plan starts around $25, but you can tweak data and features to fit your budget. Visible keeps it simple with a single unlimited plan, currently around $25 per month all-in, including taxes and fees, making it super straightforward. Coverage is crucial. US Mobile uses both Verizon and Mobile's networks, giving you excellent nationwide reach depending on the SIM you choose. Visible runs solely on Verizon's network. While Verizon's network is strong, Visible customers sometimes experience deprioritization during peak hours, potentially slowing down speeds. Speaking of speed, both offer 5G access, but remember that deprioritization can impact Visible's performance. US Mobile speed may vary slightly depending on the network you're on, but their premium data option usually provides more consistent speeds. Customer service is where they differ significantly. US Mobile is known for its responsive and helpful support team, available via chat and phone. Visible, on the other hand, has a reputation for slower response times and limited support options, primarily relying on online chat. So, who wins? If you value flexibility, top-notch support, and potentially faster speeds, US Mobile might be your winner. If simplicity and all-inclusive pricing are your priority and are willing to compromise a bit on customer service, Visible is a strong contender. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your data usage, and decide which carrier aligns best with your mobile lifestyle.